Landlord tip for today is what I want to share with you. And landlord tip of an Airbnb. And this is like a home economics. And so when you have this rolling, when I have this rolling bed and I have to provide this, not only the pillow, the mattress, the bed cover, but also this sheet here, I want to make it in a way that it's presentable. And a lot of times it's just, it's very flat. There is no design to it. I got a call and that's probably one of my tenants. So I'll put it on hold while I'm doing a live video for you guys. Now to recap how to make this presentation when you have a sheet that you want to prepare for your Airbnb. So this is the final product. So I'm going to bring you to another room where I will be doing a demonstration on how to get that final effect. So this is one of the sheets that I have to do, and I'm going to share with you what I will be doing in a few minutes from now to share with you on how we get to fold our sheets, blankets, our sheets. So I have an Airbnb check-in, and then I'm gonna give it to my traveling nurses. My Airbnb guests are staying for 3 days and 2 nights. I just had to move out, a check-out, and now I'm getting these sheets ready. And why am I doing this? Because my cleaning lady didn't have enough time to finish it. So now I'm gonna be finishing the property for my next check-in. So when you have this sheet, right? So what you're going to do is fold it, right? You know, like just a regular fold. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the whole fold so it saves us time. But so let's say you fold it, you know, horizontally, lengthwise. Oh, thank you for watching. And I'm showing to all of you how I prepare my sheets. I designed it. So right now, let's say I fold it that way, and to get that effect, see, if I just do it like this, it's just plain and simple, doesn't give an effect. Now, how to get that effect, because this is a two-tone, right? I have a blue and I have a gray, which I like, and you can get this at Walmart for like 30 bucks each. So and my son just dropped it. It was stagnant and he was playing with it. It didn't touch him and he's touching it, so it fell off. So sorry about that. So now, going back to this, right? So what I need you to do is on this end here, that's what we're going to play with. Okay, so here, if you can see this, we are going to fold it. We are going to fold just one of it. There's 1 and 2. So we are just doing the one. So what I need you to do is fold it, fold it, fold it. And now it will have this effect. So when we fold that thing, okay, it will show you this. Okay, you see the end? And we're going to do that. And then what I will do is fold it properly. And then I will fold it that way because I'm going to roll it. Now, because this is too wide still, so what we're going to do is fold it just halfway, the blue part of it, okay? So I'm going to do it here. You may be able to see some of it. So I never learned this in school during my home economics. I learned it when I had a business because I'm like, oh, how do I present it in such a way that it looks nice? So you see, I just folded it a little bit to the end of it. And so, if you can see it, I just bring it to the close here. Okay, bring the other end to the close, and now I'm ready to fold. So once we fold it, okay, we are folding it now. You see the gray and the blue. And it has a little bit of blue on the edge, or you can adjust it so you can get the gray blue. So you can do it like this, blue, gray, blue, a little bit of that, and you get the effect. George, can you pass me another one so we can demonstrate another one? So now, if we have this thing, now it has more of an effect, right? It looks beautiful. So we can do another sample. So let's say you folded it, and for time's sake that I folded it properly, okay? Just a rectangular square. Now it was not properly folded by my cleaner who didn't have enough time. So I'm gonna help her finish it off. So what they usually do, my cleaners do, is just fold it, and I'm gonna teach them how to do this so that it looks more presentable. I'm gonna share with them with this video. That's why I'm making this video. It's a double purpose. I'm sharing it with you guys and with my cleaner. So you see, I have that now. And I'm gonna do the ends, right? So I'm gonna fold that where you see this edges here. So what we're going to do is fold one side of it, fold one side, fold, 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 fold. Okay, fold it. Get that? And then, so you have this effect. Okay, blue, gray, blue. And now, what I will be doing is turn it a little bit. Okay, turn it. Now, this is still big. So I'm gonna fold it. I'm going to fold it again. I'm gonna fold it again so that it's a little bit shorter. Now it's not getting the desired effect, so I'm gonna fold it, and then I will be, I will be folding it now, but it moved, so I gotta readjust. So folding it, you want to make sure they're even, because like in this case, it was not properly laid, so I'm not getting the effect. So you need to adjust it so that both of the grays are in line. Both of them are in line. And then that's when we fold. So when you're a business owner, we all start out as a technician, as a manager, as an entrepreneur. So what I'm doing right now is I'm being a technician. My hands are attached to the property. My hands are attached to the business. So that's the reason why we need to grow and scale. Because at some point in time, we have to delegate the technician role. We have to delegate the managerial role. And now we're focused majority, 70% or 100% into the entrepreneurship, where we are the visionary. So right now I'm doing the technician. So this is the desired effect that I want to achieve. So if we have this, I'm going to show you that I like better. I'm going to redo the other one. So I'm going to show you the desired effect. That is the effect I want to achieve. So it's easy, it's fast, it gives that some design, it gives that this, some design versus just laying it blue. So that is how to fold and present your sheets when you have guests checking in. So hopefully you learned something today. That's the landlord tip of having Airbnb and having a desired look of your bed presentation. All right, guys, take care. Stay tuned for more. Bye.